Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering nominal GDP and real GDP for the year you want to analyze. Use the same currency and reporting period. Inconsistencies bias the deflator. Make sure real GDP is already converted to the chosen base year. This matters because the deflator isolates price changes, not quantity changes. Once done, note the base year and confirm both series match in units. Now compute a simple ratio. Nominal GDP divided by real GDP. That ratio is the core of the GDP deflator. You now compute the raw deflator by dividing nominal GDP by real GDP. This gives you how much prices inflated versus the base year. Next, multiply that ratio by 100 to convert it into an index number. So a result of 125 means prices are 25% above the base year. Make sure to keep consistent rounding. 1 or 2 decimal places is usually enough for classroom work. If comparing across years, remember to use the same base year or rebase consistently before comparing indices. You finish by interpreting and, if needed, converting the deflator into inflation rates. If the index is above 100, prices rose versus the base year. Below 100, they fell. To get inflation between years, compute the percent change in the deflator. If results look wrong, recheck the base year alignment, units, and whether real GDP truly uses base year prices. These are the usual culprits. Finally, present the index with clear labels, base year, units, and any rounding choices you made.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.